So now that I've talked about what binomial random variables are, I'm going to talk about how to find the mean and the standard deviation of a binomial random variable. So remember that an experiment is a binomial probability experiment if it meets these four criteria. It has to be repeated a fixed number of times, it has to have independent trials, the trials have to be two mutually exclusive outcomes with either success or failure, and the probability of success has to be the same for all trials. So back to calculating the mean and standard deviation of binomial random variables. I'm going to give you this example I had before, which says, in a recent survey, it was found that 85% of households in the United States have high-speed internet. If you take a sample of 18 households, what is the probability that exactly 15 of those households will have high-speed internet? Now, we're not really going to worry about that question at the end. That was for the last example. But what I do want to show you is how to find the mean and the standard deviation. To find these, all we need to know are n and p. N is the number of trials, in this case 18 trials because there are 18 households, and p is the probability of success. In this case, the probability of success is 0.85 or 85% because 85% of the households have high-speed internet. So if we want to find the mean, we just take n times p and find a mean of 15.3. And if we want to find the standard deviation, we just plug in the n and the p, and we simplify that down to find a standard deviation of 1.515. And it's really that easy. That's all you need to do to find the mean and the standard deviation of a binomial random variable.